Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of... Hold on. Whoa, hold on. That sounds too familiar. I think that's what the Stradman says. Nevertheless, I need to come up with my own intro. If anybody has any good thoughts for that, let me know below. I've been trying to think about it a little bit, but I gotta work on that. But anyways, today we have some good stuff coming today. So, there's the car, right there. Now, I mentioned quite a few videos ago that I needed to take the tires off and check the brakes. Well, I don't want to let you guys down, so today, yes, indeed, we have our whole set of tools right here. Got the breaker bar, torque wrench. Of course, you guys will go on there soon. All this good stuff, jack stands, everything. So we are set to go, and we're going to get this going for you guys. So let's get started. Alright everybody, so before we get started there, I just want to let you all know that I have been working with a new friend of mine, and he is big into the editing, video making, everything like that. So he helped me make the last video, but I'd already recorded that one before we kind of, talked about what I should do and, everything like that. So, this one, brand new, everything. I'm trying to just be a little different, be a little more myself, I guess. And so, yeah, I'll see if he wants to be on the channel, not sure yet, but I'll talk to him about that if he wants to maybe make an appearance. But that is that. We will actually go and get something to hopefully improve our videos later for you guys, so we'll be doing that. But first we have to start with taking the tire off. So we're going to do the rear, since the rear brakes are a little more important. So I'm going to throw you guys on there, and we'll see. Hopefully it'll come off easy, but who knows. This could be interesting. If I can't get it off, I have to go work out. But I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna believe in myself. We can do this. Come on, everybody. Help me out here. Does anybody know which way I'm supposed to push it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty. I think this way. Oh! Yes! Yes! We loosed it. Uh-oh. We're good. We're good. It's loose. 4 more to go. Okay, we're good. We got them all off. All done with that. Now, safety first, of course. We have our wheel chocks here. We're going to go opposite tire, put them in, and then jack it up, and keep going from there. So, just throw these things right there, and right here, and we're good. That is not going to move. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't even know what to say to that. It'll get clean, don't worry, I'll clean it sometime. But it's not going to happen right now. But soon. When I say soon, it'll probably still be dirty next video, but... Whoa! Look at this tire. Jeez, this is massive. So, unfortunately, not sure exactly what the width is. I should find out. I know it's a 22-inch rim. Oh, it's heavy too. 22-inch rim. 22. I'm totally making stuff up right now. It's a 20-inch rim because it's the RS model. They came with 20s. This thing is big though. I can't even. Oh. Oh man, that's gross. Okay. Well, tire's off. Don't need that anymore. Let me grab you guys here. Oh, hold on. Where you going? Where you going? Stay over there. Didn't think I need to get the wheel chock for the spare tire too. Hold on. What can I use here? Here, this box. Perfect. Maybe. No. Hey, there we go. Okay. That thing is huge. Wow, okay. So, if you've never taken a tire off before, well, sorry, that was really close. Okay. If you've never taken a tire off before, here's what it looks like. I'll start back here. Ta-da! Alright, so finally got a tape measure in. Looks like we have about 6 millimeters, which is really good still on the back. So that's exciting because I did get the brake pads on a sale, so I have a ways before I have to change them. And it's really cold, so I don't want to have to be doing it right now. But, so this is one last look at the rear. But, if you remember, I don't know if I said this, I might not have said this, so if I didn't, I was hearing the brakes squeak, and they still squeal a little bit. I mean, it's not less or more than it was before, a few weeks ago. So that's why I bought the new brake pads. So I'm going to take off the front tire now to see if that is where the noise is coming from, so that, obviously, so I can find out if I have bad brakes on the front, if I need to change those soon. I don't want to change them right now, but if I have to. Alright, second one came off just as easy as the first one did, so let's get this one out of the way again. Alright, so going in down here, front tires, front everything here. So brake pads up here look pretty good too. Hopefully it'll zoom in there. There it goes. You see it right down there. In there are the brake pads. So they look pretty good. They look like the backs, the rears I should say. So I don't think I have to change them yet. I think I'm good. So I don't want to say it was a waste of time. It was fun taking them off. Look at the size difference in these. So the fronts, I don't know why I didn't face them the same way. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Something's up with this. It's ready to fall over forward, and I don't know why. But I'll have to figure that out. So if you look here, let's see, where was it? There's the number. 245s in the front. In the rear, we have 275s. Look at that. So there's a very, I can't notice it. It's not as noticeable on the camera, but I'm telling you guys, it's very noticeable. It's a quite noticeable difference. We got to rotate. Can't rotate since they're different sizes, front and back. So we're just gonna have to do side to side. That's okay, perfectly fine. So now we got to put them back on. I do have a torque wrench, so hopefully I can get. Whoa! This thing doesn't want to stay up. Oh, there we go. There we go. That works. That holds it up. That's odd. I don't know why it won't stay up. Have a torque wrench. We're going to put all these lugs back on. These 5, those 5, back on so we don't have a flying car anymore. Speaking of which, I don't know, do we like how it looks without the wheels on? I'm not really sure. Looks kind of cool. They look, I mean, if you just imagine there's no tire there, or if you imagine there's like a black rim there instead of the silver. I don't mind the silver, or aluminum, chrome, you know, similar ideas there. But I would like the black. But tires got to go back on. Can't have flying cars yet. It's not like, I think there's flying cars in Tomorrowland at Disney, but, you know, besides the point. Got to put them back on. And so now you get to watch me struggle to do that. So, obviously taking the lugs off, it was a bit of a struggle. So I need to get working on that muscle there, so I can do this easier and easier every time. Hopefully I can get them back on with the torque. If not, I'll have to call in some reinforcements like I did with the battery. But we're gonna say it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna be able to do it. So. I think we're all good. They're all not coming off. So I think we're good. But you have to know, you have to test them. You always got to test them. So I say we go test them right now. But this thing costs like $10. It's going to go up here somehow on the windshield, and my phone's going to clip into there. So then we can get that footage much easier. But with that, if I can find my key, we are going to roll out and pick up something which should hopefully help improve our videos even more. Nice. Oh, the chocks. Never forget to remove your wheel chocks. Uh-oh. Well, that's great. Oh, that one came out. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to reverse and get it, but it'll come out. Alright, so tires have stayed on so far, down the first few side streets, so here's a real test. Oh yeah, we're good. Tires are on. We succeeded! Woo! Alright, well, I'll meet you guys there when we get to our destination. Alright everybody, so for starters, that acceleration, it was good, but it wasn't great because I started in third gear, and I should have started in first gear, so you can kind of get the vibe I'm going for. We'll put another one right after this clip here at the end, don't worry. I'll get another one for you guys, hopefully, as long as there's nobody in front of me. But so, back to what we were doing today, just now. Smartphone tripod. I just picked this up. $5, $6. Not a whole lot of money. It's pretty small, so you can see it there. It's right there. There's my hand. So, yeah, you get an idea for how big it is. It's not huge, but hopefully it'll allow me to get just some of those extra little shots that'll help you guys enjoy the videos more, make them more interesting for you, because that's what my goal is to do. That's why I've been talking with a friend who's into the computer stuff, understands what's going on in the editing. He helped show me a new editing software, so hopefully I can make these videos a little better, a little quicker, and just more enjoyable for you all to watch. Because that's my goal, is to be able to share my experiences with you all, so that if you don't have a chance to do some of this stuff, or you're looking for something fun that you can do, then you could see, you know, did he like it, did he not? And then you can see if you want to do it yourself. So that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, like below. You'll get more content, more stuff like that. And yeah, thanks so much. Have an awesome day. Peace.